So congratulations guys for buying this new DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. So congratulations for that, and before you start, you please watch this video. It is very helpful for the beginners who don't have the drone experience, what you need to do, how to set up and all that, and that is very important. So firstly, these are the two only which you have in the package. So you just before that, make sure that your RC is fully charged and drone is also fully charged. So just press that for once and you can see the battery level. So see, now it is 2 points only out of 4, so it means I need to charge that. So just take a charging cable out of your box and then connect that with any high power AC adapter. So this is the USB type C cable, and this is my high power adapter. DJI don't provide that, but I am using the Samsung one, which is very helpful. So I have to charge this RC plus this drone before I start the setting up process for the first time. So if you have noticed, there is no handle on this remotes, so they have placed that on the back. See, these are all on the back. You have to take them out, and please make sure that you don't lose that, because it is very hard to get the new one. So you take them out and then you have to install that here, so that you know. See, now it is all installed. So same way you have to remove the other one and put it on the left side. And this is my power button. So I have installed the both knobs on my remote RC. So it is charging now. So same way I have to check the battery level of the drone. So on the top there is a button, just press once to see the battery level. So press that, it means the battery is totally dead. So I have to charge the battery. They haven't provided me the any charger separately, so I have to connect here on the back of this point to charge that. So I will be charging that one also. So as you can see, now it is charging. So when the light is not flickering, it means it is all fully charged now. Let's turn this on. So press 1 and then double press. It's a very beautiful screen, and now as you can see, you have to select the language. So just scroll up and down. So let's say select English. Click next. So some software terms and condition, agree to that, and then you have to select the country, region where you will be flying. So select Australia. Click next, and now you have to select to the Wi-Fi. So now you select to the time for the region, Sydney, Canberra. Click OK, and then press next. So it is saying make sure time is set correctly. So now you have to log in. So now you have to, after you log into your account, you have to accept some of the project improvements, so otherwise you can say not now. So now welcome, start now, screen gesture. So it is giving some budget buttons overview. So see this one. So left dial, and on the right below is a right dial, so you can skip that, and it is now initializing. One thing I would say, the clarity is so marvelous. Now you have to select which product you want to add. So you have to select the right drone, which is DJI Mini 3 Pro. So select the right one. So it is asking your experience. Are you complete beginner, or just beginner, intermediate, or advanced? So I have used before. Let's say I start with the beginner. So now, just like your mobile phone, it is showing some of the videos which you can watch to have some experience on that, and that will help you in flying. So you can watch those videos. Now coming on this drone, so you have to remove this cover on the lens. So I have removed that, and there are some protection tapes, so you need to remove that. So it is saying remove before use, so you have to take them off. So like this. So these small packings, I have removed that. So as you can see, it is all done, and there is no more packing. So now to start with, so I have to press one time and then second time quickly. See, as you can see, it is trying to connect with the remote control, and you have to agree. It's saying activate DJI device. Activation successful. So I have successfully set up my drone with this RC. So same way you guys can follow up. So again, it is doing some update on that and downloading some of the software. So that is why we need to charge both the things on fully charged, because if you are updating and the battery is the issue, then it won't be having a successful update. So you need to charge both the things. So the drone is still updating, so it's a bit large size of updating. Because the updating was taking time, so the aircraft was auto off. So it is all set up now, guys, so you can see it is ready for fly now. So the device is all set, ready for the first flight now, guys. As you can see that. Please leave your comments and share your experience. And if I try to help you in some way, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.